of the day. Don't make a permanent decision for your temporary emotion. Don't make a permanent decision for your temporary emotion. A rich man's son was graduating college. For months, the son was asking his father for a new car, knowing that his father had more than enough money. When graduation day came, the young man's father called him and handed over a wrapped gift and congratulated him for his achievement. Looking disappointed, the son opened the gift to find a lovely leather bound journal with the young man's name embossed on the cover. He angrily raised his voice, threw down the journal, and stormed out. The young man had not seen his father since graduation day. He became successful and was wealthy like his father, with beautiful home and family. He came to realize his father was aging and it's maybe time to put the past behind him. Just then, he received a message that his father had passed and he had to return home to take care of the estate. He began searching through his father's important paper but saw the journal, still new, just as he had left it. While he flipped through the pages, a car key dropped from the journal. A dealer tag was attached to the key, says paid in full, and with a message from his father stating that wherever this car takes you, write about it to remember it's forever. Love, Dad. No matter what you expect, be grateful for what you are given. It may be more of blessing than you think. So, don't make a permanent decision for your temporary emotion. Thank you. Have a blessed day.